We do a lot of stuff in Indiana. All right, Indiana. Remember, when you do these states, some of them are auctions online and some are in person by the county. So remember I told you, it's different. Every county's gonna be different. Some are gonna be online, some are in person. Some are gonna have a different interest rate, you know? Some you can foreclose on now, some you can't foreclose on now. Okay, big difference. Indiana, 1 year redemption period. They have two.
1 year redemption.
1 year, and you have a 120-day one. We're gonna go through both quickly. Yeah, so the first one is a lien auction. Okay, lien auction. So think about the 1 year first, 1 year. All right, you buy the lien, they will pay you, so suppose it's $1,000. It's a bid up premium, right? Whoever pays the highest amount of money will win the lien, right? The lien. Whoever pays the highest amount of money will win. So let's say it's $1,000, it goes to say $2,000 again. Okay? You will get a 10% penalty, not an interest rate, penalty. So that means if they come in 1 day late, you get 10%. That's a penalty. So you make $100. The excess amount, which is $1,000, you will get an annual 5% interest rate. Annual 5% interest rate. All right?
Can you go through that again about Indiana?
So Indiana, 1 year. You go to the auction. You bid, that the opening bid's $1,000. You win at $2,000. You're gonna get 10% on the $1,000. That's your original taxes. The excess amount, which is this amount, you're gonna get a 5% annual interest rate on the excess money that was paid.
Oh, the excess money.
Excess.